Losing your phone can be frustrating, seniors, but imagine getting it back in seconds with one tap. Does that sound too good to be true? It's not. Let me show you how simple it is and say goodbye to stress. Hello and welcome back to Senior Safe Tech. We've all been there when we realize our phone is missing. You search everywhere, under the couch cushions, in the kitchen, and around the house. The frustration builds up as you check and recheck places you've already looked. It's overwhelming, especially when you need your phone for important calls, messages, or to stay connected with family. But don't worry, it doesn't have to be this way. What if I told you that finding your lost phone is possible and incredibly easy? Imagine locating your device in mere seconds, without the stress, without the hassle, and without wasting time on endless searches. Sounds like a dream, right? But the truth is, it's absolutely possible. Let me show you how easy it is to recover your phone using simple tools you likely already have. First, let's discuss the tool we'll be using. Find My Phone. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, both have built-in features that make it easy to locate your lost device. The best part is that it's completely free. For iPhone users, Step 1. Open the Find My iPhone app on your device, or go to iCloud.com from another device and log in to your iCloud account. Step 2. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your devices. Step 3. Select your phone from the list. Step 4. Click the play sound button. Your phone will start ringing even if it is on silent mode. If this is helpful so far, go ahead and tap that like button. It lets me know you'd like more videos just like this. For Android users, Step 1. Go to google.com/android/find on a computer or another device. Step 2. Log into your Google account. Step 3. Select your phone from the list of devices. Step 4. Click Play Sound. Like the iPhone, your Android phone will start ringing no matter where it is. Once your phone starts ringing, follow the sound and that's it. You found your phone. But wait, there's more. While you've successfully located your phone, let's discuss a few safety precautions to ensure you're always prepared for these situations. First, always make sure your phone's software is up to date. Updates improve performance and ensure your phone has the latest security features. Also, if you've lost your phone and you're worried about someone accessing your information, don't panic. Both iPhones and Androids allow you to lock your device remotely through these tools, and if you feel like your phone might be lost for good, you can also choose to erase all data remotely, ensuring your information stays safe. As you can see, reclaiming your lost phone doesn't have to be stressful. With the right tools, you can find your phone in seconds, without the endless searching or frustration. It's all about using the resources you already have to take control of the situation. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more straightforward and stress-free tech tips, and share this with any friends or family members who might find this helpful information. And if you've ever lost your phone or have any questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experiences and how this trick worked for you. Reclaiming your lost phone has never been this easy. From now on, don't worry about losing your device. With technology at your fingertips, you can stay connected and feel secure, knowing you can always find your phone with just one tap. Until next time, stay confident, stay connected, and enjoy the digital world. It's yours too.